When it comes to e-commerce and digital marketing, Privy is one of the most popular tools out there, but there are a few things you definitely need to know before deciding whether it's the right software for you. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 key factors that will help you make an informed decision on whether Privy is the best fit for your business, especially when comparing it to some of its competitors. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a way for you to get started with a great free trial. First off, Privy excels in one major area, its ease of use. Unlike some of the more complex alternatives out there, like Klaviyo, which can be intimidating for beginners, Privy's user interface is straightforward and intuitive. The drag-and-drop editor allows you to quickly set up pop-ups, email campaigns, and even full sales funnels with minimal technical knowledge. For someone new to this kind of software, you'll appreciate the simplicity and how quickly you can get results. Next thing, let's talk about the pricing. Privy offers a flexible pricing structure, which can be a huge advantage over platforms like Monster, where the entry-level pricing can be steep for smaller businesses. Privy has a free plan that includes core features, but to really get the full benefits, including automated emails and advanced targeting, you'll want to opt for a paid plan. It's still relatively affordable compared to some competitors, and you get a lot of value for your money. The third thing to consider is the integrations. Privy integrates with the major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, which is essential for running automated campaigns on your store. While some competitors might have more extensive integrations, Privy's connections to these platforms are robust and user-friendly, allowing you to sync your data and optimize your marketing efforts with ease. The fourth thing I want to mention is its powerful targeting options. Privy offers advanced targeting that allows you to tailor pop-ups, emails, and offers based on customer behavior, such as exit intent, time on site, and even cart abandonment. This is something that really sets Privy apart from some simpler tools like MailChimp, which doesn't offer the same level of customization in terms of targeting your visitors in real time. Moving on, let's talk about the email marketing features. Privy is really strong in this area, offering a full suite of tools for email list building, automated follow-ups, and cart recovery. While platforms like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign are definitely more advanced for email marketing, Privy gives you everything you need at a much lower price point. If you're just starting out with email marketing, Privy will get the job done efficiently without overwhelming you with too many options. The sixth thing to know about Privy is its customer support. Privy's support team is generally highly rated for being responsive and helpful, which is always crucial when you're using software for business. Compared to some competitors like Sumo, which sometimes has slower response times, Privy seems to deliver a better overall support experience. And finally, let's talk about the performance. Privy's pop-ups, landing pages, and email automations perform exceptionally well in terms of conversion rates. The software is known for driving solid results, whether you're looking to grow your email list or reduce cart abandonment. Compared to alternatives like Monster, Privy's designs feel more polished and it generally converts better for e-commerce stores. So if you want to try out Privy for yourself, click the first link in the description to access an exclusive free trial. It's a risk-free way to see if Privy can improve your e-commerce marketing. Don't miss out on the chance to take advantage of some extra benefits through that link.